Hello, welcome to Restoring Your Scrivener 1 project from backup in Windows. I'm Vanessa Keir. So what I have done is closed the project we just backed up and opened a second project so we can see how to restore a project that is not currently open. Now, if I were to try to restore that backup from here inside Scrivener, if I tried to go to File and then Open, you can see that it doesn't show anything available in that Scrivener 1 backups folder. And that's because what we did is we saved it as a zip. And then if we go down here to the file types, the only options are these Scrivener project file endings or all files. But even if we click all files, it's not going to be able to open this. It's not a Scrivener project file. So that's because it's still in the zipped format, and Scrivener can't read a zipped format. As the literature and latte people say in their Scrivener manual, a zip folder is basically like a packing box, and you have to remove the box before you can use any of the files. So what we need to do is go over to our Windows Explorer and find that zipped file. So here is my backup zip file. If I click on it, up at the top in pink it says extract, and then click on the compressed folder tools, and then click on extract all. And it will create a folder inside the bigger folder. So what it has done is it has extracted a folder called nanoveryawesomenovel.scriv, and it put it in another folder called backup nanoveryawesomenovel with the date. That is the exact title of my zipped file, and that is under my Scrivener 1 backup. So again, Scrivener 1 backups now has the compressed zipped folder, and now it has just a file folder. So we want to go into that file folder. We're still at a file folder, as you can tell by this yellow icon. So double click this again. And now down here at the bottom, this is actually your project file. So now we're ready to go and open this in Scrivener. We go into File, Open, and we again have to drill down until we see the file, not the folder. And then here we go. And then we open. And here you are with your project fully restored. Now there's just one more thing you should do. Because you restored this from a backup folder, it's a good idea to save it into a new location, probably your working project folder. So you would want to go up to File, Save As, and then choose whatever folder you want to save it into. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy writing. Bye.